Without wasting a microsecond, we shall learn how to find antilog of base 10. Antilog, the basic meaning of antilog is 10 to the power. 10 to the power. We are just talking of antilog of base 10. Okay. We have to find the value of antilog 0. It is 10 to the power 0. Antilog 1, it is 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 0 means it is 1, it is 10. Suppose that we have to find antilog of minus 1, then we don't need any table. It is 10 to the power minus 1, that is it is 1 upon 10, its value is 0.1. The value of antilog minus 1 is 0.1. Antilog minus 2, we don't need any table of antilog of minus 2 calculation. It is 10 to the power minus 2, it means 1 upon 100, that is 0.01. Antilog, even we can find antilog 10.5, as we have said that antilog meaning is 10 to the power, so that's why it is 10 to the power 10.5. that is we can write 10 to the power 10.5 as 10 power 10 multiplied by 10 power 0.5. 10 power 10 is 10 power 10 and 10 power 0.5, it may be written as 10 to the power under root of 10. 10 to the power 0.5 is under root 10 and the value of under root 10 is 3.162. We don't need any table to find the value of antilog 10.5, but if we have to find antilog, suppose that we have to find antilog 14.37. now this time we need antilog table. Antilog 14.37, it is 10 to the power 14.37. as we have said that antilog basic meaning is 10 to the power. If we have to find 10 to the power 14.37, it is 10 to the power 14.7. Antilog 10.5 is 10 to the power 10.5. Antilog minus 2 is 10 to the power minus 2. Antilog minus 1 is 10 power minus 1. So antilog 14.37 is 10 to the power 14.37 and 10 to the power 14.37 may be written as 10 to the power 14 multiplied by 10 to the power 0.37. As you know, if the bases are same, multiplication power will get added and it will give 14.37. The multiplication of 10 power 14 into 10 power 37 is 10 to the power 14.37. It means it may be written like this. 10 to the power 14 is at is antilog table. In antilog table, we search 0.37, here 0.37. It is 2344. It is 2344. 2344. You don't need to any rule to put point here. You have to put point at scientific notation place always. So you will put point between 2 and 3. After one digit, the point will be placed every time. Antilog 15.48. How will you find? It may be written as we have said that antilog means 10 to the power, so that's why it is 10 to the power 15.48. It may be written as 10 to the power 15.48. 10 to the power 15.48 further may be written as 10 power 15 into 10 to the power 0.48. As you know, after the multiplication, power will get added and will give 15.48. 10 to the power 15 may be written as 10 to the power 15, but 10 to the power 0.48, this has been written in antilog table. We need antilog table here. 0.48, 0.48, 3020. So that's why we are writing here 3020, and you have to place a decimal exactly according to scientific notation, and it is after one digit. So that's why the point is placed 3.020 into 10 power 15 will be the value of antilog 15.48. One important thing should be noted in this connection, and that point is how we shall find antilog of negative values. Suppose that we have to find the antilog of something negative, minus 16.32. Okay, then how will we can get its value? So antilog basic meaning is 10 to the power. So antilog 10 to the power minus 16.32 may be written as 10 to the power minus 16.32. 10 to the power, we shall use the next case. We are trying to find the antilog of minus 16.32. It means 10 to the power minus 16.32. It may be written as 10 power minus 16 multiplied by 10 power minus 0.32. After the multiplication, we shall get 16.32. After addition of 16 and 0.32, it will give the value of 16.32. 10 power minus 16, but here this is negative sign, and we have to remove negative sign before finding antilog. So that's why it may be written as 10 power 1 upon 10 power 0.32. So this minus has been removed, and now 10 power minus 16 and 1 upon 10 power 0.32. In order to find this value, we need antilog table. Here 0.32 is written, and it is 2089, and you have to always place point according to scientific notation, and the scientific notation says that you have to put the point after one digit. So that's why we shall put the point here. And after resolving this 1 upon 2.089, whatever may be the value, so it will its value. You can comment what is the value of 1 upon 2.089 here. And if you have learned antilog, then you may subscribe my channel.